Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. Countless lessons and insider secrets as well. Hi guys. You know, I've been on this incredible journey with you all for so long, 8 years to be exact. From my earliest videos in 2015 to my latest deep dives, we've shared so much together. And today I have a huge announcement. My very first book is now available. Inside these pages, I've poured years of experiences, countless lessons, and insider secrets as well, even the ones women want to keep quiet. As most of you guys know, I've always been about pushing boundaries and leveling up. Thousands of you reached out to me asking me for more than just my YouTube content, something that's actually tangible and long lasting. And guess what? I listened to you guys. We've been on this ride together, conquering every single challenge, and this book is our next mountain. And trust me, the view from the top is worth every single step. Go ahead and click the link in the description to support its launch on Kickstarter and become a part of something that's going to be truly epic. Guys, we've laughed together, learn together, and now let's elevate together. Thank you so much, each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. Here's to many more chapters ahead. So with that being said, until the next video, see you guys later.